Hello, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your pronunciation question. Today's question is, how do I pronounce the word pass, which means to move beyond something, and pause, which means a slight stop. Let's take a look at our words. So we have the word pass, P-A-S-S, and pause, P-A-U-S-E. And I'm going to throw in a bonus word, pause, which would be like a dog foot, because pause and pause are pronounced exactly the same way. I love that. So let's start with the word pass. So for all of these words, we're going to start with a P sound. Just open your lips and let the air puff out. Your voice box is not on. For pass, we are going to have that ah sound, that very American ah sound. Think about round lips. And that's going to get the tip of your tongue low in your mouth and the back of your tongue pulled up. Ah, ah. And your tongue's a little bit kind of flatter here. Ah. The vowel in paw is going to be more of an oval open mouth. That's going to make your tongue a little narrower, still tip of the tongue down and back of the tongue pulled up. So let's look at the difference here. Ah. Ah, ah, ah. So we have pa and paw. So to end the word pass, we're going to make an S sound. And to do that, put the tip of your tongue behind your top front teeth, not touching, and let the air keep moving out. Pass, 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 pass. Now for pause and pause, we're going to end with a Z sound, which is an S sound with the voice box on and vibrating and moving. Zzz. What happens when we have a voiced sound that ends a word, I've gotten a few questions about this lately, is that the voice sound is actually going to make the vowel before it sound a little teeny tiny bit longer. So this vowel might sound a little bit longer in pause than it does in pass. And that's because of the voicing on that Z sound. So let's try both of these words. Pass, pass, pass. Pause, pause, pause. Pass, pause. Before you pass the car, let's take a pause and make sure that all paws are inside of the vehicle. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice a difference. If you found this helpful, we would love a like and a share and a subscribe. Don't forget to check out our products on Google Play and iTunes and at Tarle Speech. Thank you for everything, and we'll see you again soon.